Hello, and welcome back to Party Paperteers. Today I'm coming to you with a project share from MayMay Did It. It's a folio and it's called the 3-Page Wonder. I had so much fun making these. I made them for every event, every occasion I could think of because they're just so quick, simple, and easy. And I thought I'll do a walkthrough on some of the ones that I made, hopefully to inspire you to make your own. If you want to see me do this, then stay tuned. hope you were inspired by that walkthrough and you'll try to make one on your own. What I have here is a folio that I did 3 years ago. It's not in the same style as MayMay's, but it is made out of cardstock, and I put designer paper on it. I kept all the embellishments on the front flat, but I just wanted to show you how well they hold up over the test of time. I'll do a really quick walkthrough on this one as well, just to give you maybe a different idea of what a folio layout could be, because you're only limited by your imagination. But they all start out as cardstock, and you place your designer paper on them and add your photos and any ephemera that you may have. I made a little pocket here, and on this particular year, 2019, we had a gender reveal party. So I created a waterfall that kind of walk you through the events of that party. So it was really fun, and the reveal was really fun and unique. Also, at the end, I have a surprise here of the sonogram of my grandson, who was born September 2019. So he'll be 3 this year. But I just wanted to give you a different look on what a folio could be. In case you didn't know, they are the new photo album, in my humble opinion. Very easy to make, and you're only limited by your imagination. So I hope you try one, and if you do, share it with me. And if you want to see me make one from scratch, leave me a comment just requesting it, and I'll be more than happy to do that for you. Congratulations for making it this far in the video, because we're going to have another random giveaway. All you have to do is comment down below which one of the folios that you like best, and which one of these folios that you would like to win. We're going to announce the winner in the next video. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you like this content. We enjoyed having you with us, and as always, have a great day.